First, always, you want your place names on your map to work for you, to show where each ethno-linguistic group is and where they all meet. Best example, France and Germany. In both of the heartlands, you can see there are names that would be specific to each of them. Aquitaine,
Paris,
and Marseille are names that are based in Romance languages, whereas in Germany, they're based in Germanic, German languages.
Wow!
Like with Frankfurt. But between the two, you can see a merging of these things. In Alsace-Lorraine, in France, you have a city called Strasbourg. That sounds pretty flippin' German. Just ask all the other Berg cities out there. But on the other side, in Germany, you have the city of Cologne. Cologne. That looks like that would be a French or Italian city. What the flip? Well, I mean, the Germans actually pronounce it Köln. But you know, we're not looking at it like that on this map. So what gives? You can see that the two languages merge around here. That's also how you get weird stuff like Luxembourg and the existence of Belgium. What the flip? So to show the ethno-linguistic groups, you have to set up the appearance of different languages for your map. And the easiest way to do that without actually creating constructed languages is to just mess around with 1, the letters that you use, and 2, how you string them together. So how do you do this with the letters? What I usually do is I omit certain letters and have certain consonant clusters that appear frequently. For this example, let's focus on the letters A, TS, C, R, LL, N, and O. And let's omit stuff like K, Q, and W. And then on the other side here, in this example, let's have it be pretty different. Let's have K's, W's, F's, V's. Let's have Z's, but not at the end of words. And let's have NG's. So up here, let's just use these things and string them together. Atsulo. Another one we can name Gelu. This one we can name Nuwanna. And then you can take the segments that you just made up and turn them into words in the language. Wow! These look fancy enough, high class, but down here, let's use our more barbaric letters like the K's and W's. Gorfum, Scared, Skotwur, Nungok. Now the hard part is, if you want something like this to be pronounced Nungok, you can't spell it like this. Maybe I would spell that Noongoke. It keeps the NG and the K, but it preserves the pronunciation. Or you could just be okay with everyone pronouncing it Nungok, because that's how they're going to do it. So then in the middle here, we need to create something that's a little bit of both. So I noticed down here we have an S and a K, sk. That seems pretty Viking-esque, and that definitely wouldn't appear in the other one.
Nope.
So let's mix it with this other language visually. Instead of having it be SK, let's have it be SC. So this city in the middle, let's call Suskant. That looks like it would be a mix of these two, wouldn't you say?
Nope.
And if we add another little island out here, we can screw with the syllable structure so it's totally different. Let's use the wildly different syllable structure of Hawaiian.
Aloha pumehana ho'omika i oe ke hoa.
As every syllable is a consonant and then a vowel. Japanese kinda has the same thing. Let's name this place Go-ro-na-chu. Got the CH in there. That looks different from the other ones. So let's name this big city Ndirahoga. The ND in the beginning, what's up with that? Well, we can count this as one consonant because a lot of languages do. And that would not appear anywhere else. It's a totally different language. And just for kicks and giggles, let's make a volcano on this and call it Mount Eruga, or Uryuga, I guess. I'm totally fine with people mispronouncing things. It's only natural. For other forms of syllable structure, look no further than China, which has names that are made up of one-syllable words strung together, like Hong Kong, Beijing, Chongqing. Whereas in English, you can pile on consonant sounds on either side of the vowel. I mean, look at the word strengths. Can't do that in Chinese or Japanese. Obviously, you don't want every single place name to just be strung together characters that don't mean anything to you originally. Put some heart and soul into it, you know. But when all else fails, this is a very solid way to name your places because it shows where different cultures are. Hello Stoneworks boys and girls. So this next video I'm doing is quite the undertaking, so I decided this would make that job a lot easier and cut down on however many minutes this video is, because this segment was going to be in it. Anyways, it's going to be a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this video, but yeah, have a good day. I'm out.